welcome to LA. I'm gonna give you guys a garden tour today. First up, some art by our amazing homie Burke. Nice little art flowers, and we're gonna give you guys a tour of our tomatoes, our compost, our passion fruit. Come on, first we're gonna check out the tomatoes. We decided to grow our tomatoes in some grow bags. These are really great. The roots can go through the bag. 1, 2, 3, these little beautiful amethyst cherry tomatoes. These lovely beauties are a Japanese tomato that are supposed to be heat resistant and will hopefully give us lots of tomatoes to come. One of them is a beautiful multicolored heirloom tomato with beautiful striation. And then we got all this lavender over here. And everything is a little bit bunched up at the moment because everything just kind of expanded really quick. But my lavender has just blown up. This is our garden box. We've had it now for a year and it's been so good to us. It's just been giving us all the different vegetables we want. So here's a little close-up. We got some collards, some kale, some lettuce, and some seedlings which I planted. This is a passion fruit plant, which I'm super excited about, and some other little seedlings that haven't quite popped yet, so let's see if they end up kind of popping out for us. Here I have some lovely arugula that has already bolted for the season. It's giving me some pretty flowers. The bees and all the insects are really enjoying this, so I'm leaving it. And hey, I still have some extra arugula, so I'm still harvesting it little by little. Check it out. It's beautiful, it's nutty, it's delicious. Passion fruit likes to grow on vines, so we fixed this up with a little nice trellis. For summer, she'll be nice and ready for us. More updates on this little baby to come. So here we have a little rogue tomato plant that grew out of nowhere next to my aloe. So I have this aloe over here in a grow bag, and all of a sudden this spring I just found this tomato plant that grew, and so I just propped it up here. And this is a little fig tree that I basically propagated or took from the big mother fig tree that is standing here. And so these two are part of the garden, and now I have another tomato plant that's rogue over here. I'm gonna show you the compost, and this is where our garden gets a lot of its nutrients from. And so this is it. So this is our indoor compost bin. We always cut everything up nice and small, toss it in there. Ooh, whoa. Give it a nice little stir. Stir it up, stir it up. Stirring your compost is so important because that is what's gonna give the air to all the decomposing organic material. Wait for it to brew and then use that dark soil gold for your garden or plants.